again. Today we are going to be looking at what makes it hard to regulate emotions. This applies to people who are both emotionally sensitive and those who are quite calm, reserved, and seemingly in control. The world around us calls for a response more often than it doesn't. To be completely rational and not have an emotional response will be just as extreme as overly responding and not having any understanding of how to regulate. Since regulating emotions is very hard, we want to acknowledge that biology, lack of skills, reinforcing consequences, moodiness, mental overload or overwhelm, and emotional myths can make regulating emotions difficult. Moodiness and lack of energy can interfere with your willingness to do the work emotion regulation takes. You may be capable, but it may interfere with your current mood. This would be another example of having skills versus being motivated. Not being in the mood would be a lack of motivation. Sometimes your emotions can be so extreme that you simply cannot get into wise mind in order to figure out what to do. This can be called high arousal or overwhelm. When you are highly aroused, worry, thoughts, and rumination can keep the emotion firing like a computer program that is automatically started when you get highly emotional. Worries get started and track your brain into thinking that there's actually an answer to your worries. Usually there is no answer, so the worries go round and round and round. Often worries function as a way to escape your emotion. Escaping your emotions, however, keeps you from attending to them effectively. You may have the skills. Ruminating interferes with using them. Extreme anger or other intense emotions can feel very out of control. Reasonable mind does not have a chance to surface and moderate the influence of emotional mind when you are in emotional overload or when you're overwhelmed or highly aroused.